Hiring someone to repair storm damage can be a daunting task. In our legal lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal asking Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy how to avoid some costly pitfalls.
Andrea, I know this can be a lot for anyone to have to deal with. Just any general thoughts about things people should keep in mind if they're looking to hire someone to do some storm repair work?
So St. Louis is no stranger to bad weather. And most people know, but it bears repeating, avoid fly-by-night contractors who usually appear after a big storm like this with offers to either do debris cleanup or patch up homes. Oftentimes, not always, but they will disappear with the customer's deposit after doing little or no work. The best way to hire a contractor in these situations is really to check out the company on Better Business Bureau, ask for a copy of their licensure and insurance policy, and check social media groups. A lot of different companies, especially local companies, are posted and people share their experiences with them.
And I know sometimes an insurance company will provide someone with a list of preferred contractors. I guess, what are thoughts about, if you go with that list or not?
It's really a pro and con situation. So if you use an insurance company's preferred repair vendor, it can potentially speed up the claims process. It should minimize any price gouging or fluctuations, and many times the work will be guaranteed by the contractor. On the other hand, the drawbacks are, if they have a strong relationship with their insurance company, their loyalty will be to the insurance company and not necessarily to you as the homeowner. Generally, the insurance companies pay as little as possible on claims. So again, not having that direct relationship with the contractor can hurt. It could also mean you have less control over the repairs and the materials chosen for any repairs.
And if you do get into a situation where the insurance company says, you know what, we're not going to pay what the company says the cost of making those repairs will be, I guess, what role can an attorney play in that kind of situation?
So like all situations with an insurance company, a lawyer can be a vital asset when it comes to claim disputes. A lawyer, if you run into a dispute over either coverage or the amount of coverage, a lawyer can assist with the insurance appeals process. They can negotiate directly with the insurance carrier on your behalf. They can report any unfair tactics to the Missouri Department of Insurance. And then finally, if necessary, they could file a lawsuit on your behalf against the insurance company.
Some great information from Andrea McNairy with Brown and Crouppen. We appreciate your time as always. Thanks, Andrea.
You're very welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And remember, you can catch The Legal Lens on Fox 2 every Wednesday at 6 p.m.